Hello everyone and welcome to Bismuth, and our lesson for today is all about linear equations in two variables. Linear equation two variables. If a, b, and c are real numbers and if a and b are not both equal to 0, then ax plus by equals c is called a linear equation in two variables. The numbers a and b are the coefficients of the variables x and y. So we have your a, b. These are the coefficients of the variables x and y. Then the number c is the constant. So c is the constant. A, b are the coefficients of the variables x and y. Then c is the constant. The exponent of the variable in each term is 1, which means the degree of the equation is 1. There is no variable in the denominator and no variable inside a radical sign. Then the graph of the equation is a line. So the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a line. And the exponent of the variable in each term is 1. And we call this also the degree of the equation is 1. The standard form of a linear equation in two variables is written in the order ax plus by equals c. So this will be the standard form. We call this standard form. Now, these are examples of linear equations, two variables. These are an example. So we have number 1, 2x plus y equals 5. Number 2, 4x plus 3y equals 7. Then x minus 3y equals 8. 4y equals 6 minus 5x. And x equals y plus 6. Why? Because it has two variables, the x and y. X and y, x and y, x and y, yx, and then x and y. So they have two variables. It has only one variable in each term. So we have only one variable in each term. The exponent of the variable in each term is 1, which means the degree of the equation is 1. So x to the first power degree is 1. Y to the first power degree is 1. X raised to the first power 1, 1, 1, 1. The exponent is 1. Then the exponent is 1. But in examples number 1, 2, and 3, the equations are written in the form of ax plus by equals c. And we call this the standard form. Look at the example number 1, 2, and 3. These equations are written in the form of ax plus by equals c. Wherein in number 1, 2x plus y equals 5, your a is 2, b is 1, and constant 5. C means c equals 5. Number 2, a 4, b 3, c 7. And number 3, your a is 10. The coefficients of x is 10. The coefficients of y is negative 3. So you copy the sign, negative 3. And we have the constant, which is c, equals 8. But 4 and 5, these equations are not written in the form of ax plus by equals c. How to rewrite linear equation in two variables in standard form, or ax plus by equals c. Example number 1. Rewrite the equations 4y equals 6 minus 5x in the form of ax plus by equals c, the standard form. Solution. So this will be our given equation. 4y equals 6 minus 5x. 4y equals 6 minus 5x. Now all you have to do is you transpose negative 5x from left to right, and therefore you change the sign of the 5x negative, change the sign once you transpose. So therefore, we have positive 5x. So change the sign of negative 5x to 5x transpose. Then we have positive 4y equals 6. So copy 4y positive, then equals 6 copy. And therefore, this will be your standard form. So we have 5x plus 4y equals 6 is written in the form of ax plus by equals c, wherein your a is 5, positive 5, because the coefficients of x is 5 and the coefficients of y is 4. That will be your b. Then c is the constant, so that will be your 6. C equals 6. So your A, 5, B, 4, then C is 6. Example number 2, rewrite the equations x equals y plus 6 in the form ax plus by equals c. So again, standard form. So we have the solution. So copy the given equation, x equals y plus 6. Then, so again, we have x equals y plus 6. So this time you transpose positive y. Then if you transpose positive y, you change the sign. If we have positive, change to negative. If we have negative, change to positive. So we have x, then transpose positive y equals, so we have negative y, then equals 6. And therefore, this will be our standard form. X minus y equals 6. Ax plus by equals c. This equation is written in the form of ax plus by equals c. Now, this time, let us identify your a, b, and c, where your a is positive 1, then your b is negative 1, c is the constant, so we have c equals 6. A linear equation in two variables have many sets of order pair that satisfy the equation. So we have many sets of ordered pair. Example number 1. Find at least two ordered pairs that satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6. So we are looking at least two ordered pairs that satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6, because again, linear equation in two variables have many sets of ordered pair. So we have many solutions. Solution: 2x plus y equals 6. Then we have x equals 0. So all you have to do, you assign any value of x. So first, we use 0. So your x equals 0. Then 2, substitute the value of x, which is 0. Change x to 0. So we have 0. And then copy y, then equals 6. Then 2 multiply 0, the answer is 0 plus y, copy, then equals 6. Then 0 is nothing, so therefore y equals 6. So your x is 0, then your y, if your x is 0, then your y is positive 6. The ordered pairs 0, 0, and 6 satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6. Let us check. 0, 6. This will be your ordered pair. So again, we say ordered pair. The first number is, they call it the x-axis, and the second value is, they call it the y-axis. So we cannot interchange. So this will be your x value and this will be your y value. So we have 2x plus y equals 6. Then 2 then x change to 0, your y to positive 6 equals 6. Then 2 multiply 0, the answer is 0 plus 6 equals 6. Then 0 plus 6, the answer is 6 equals 6. So they are equal, and therefore 0, 6 satisfy the equations 2x plus y equals 6. And therefore 0, 6 is one of the solution of 2x plus y equals 6. Next, we have another one solution. So we have 2x plus y equals 6 because we are looking for at least two ordered pairs or two ordered pairs that satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6. Then we have the solution 2x plus y equals 6. Now this time, instead of 0, we use positive 1. Then 2, change x to positive 1. Then plus y equals 6. 2 times 1, we have 2 plus y equals 6. And then so you transpose. So y, we have positive 2. Transpose, it will become negative 2. Then simplify. So 6 minus 2, the answer is positive 4. So if your x is 1, positive 1, and then your y equals 4. The ordered pair, 1, then 4, positive 4, satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6. Let us check. 1, then 4. This will be the ordered pair. This will be your ordered pair, positive 1 and positive 4. Again, this will be your x value. This will be your y value. So x value is 1, then y value is positive 4. Then 2x plus y equals 6. So this will be your given equation. Then you substitute the value of x and y. Your x is positive 1 and your y is positive 4. Then simplify, you multiply 2 times 1 or 2 multiply 1. The answer is 2 plus copy 4 equals 6. Then 2 plus 4, the answer is 6 equals 6. And therefore, the ordered pair 1 and 4 satisfy the equations 2x plus y equals 6. The two ordered pairs that satisfy the equation 2x plus y equals 6, we have 0, 6, and 1, 4. So these are the two ordered pairs. Example number 2. Determine if the ordered pair 2, negative 3 satisfy the equation 2x minus y equals 7. Solution. 2x minus y equals 7. So x 2, your y is negative 3. So this will be the ordered pair. We are looking for this ordered pair. If this ordered pair satisfy the equation 2x minus y equals 7. If this ordered pair is one of the solution of this equation, 2x minus y equals 7. So again, the first value is, they call it the x-axis. So that will be your x value. And then the second value, they call it the y-axis or y value. So we have y value is negative 3. Then you substitute 2, your x change to positive 2, and then negative y, your y is negative 3, then negative 3. Then after that, you simplify 2, multiply 2, the answer is 4. Then you multiply negative to negative 3, the answer is positive 3. Then equals 7. 4 plus 3, the answer is 7 equals 7. And therefore, the ordered pair 2, negative 3 satisfies the given equation. Next, we have another one. Determine if the order pair 4, 2 satisfy the equation x minus 3y equals 5. If this ordered pair is one of the solution of the given equation x minus 3y equals 5. Solution, x minus 3y equals 5. So again, your x, that will be the value of the first number. So the first number or the first value is your x-axis, and the second value, that will be your y-axis. So y, 2. And then after that, you substitute the value of x and y to the given equation. So x change to positive 4, then your y change to positive 2. Then 4 minus 3 multiplied to 2 equals 5. So 4 copy, then 3 multiplied 2. The answer is negative 6 because this one is negative 3 multiplied to positive 2. The answer is 6. Then equals 5. Then negative 2 equals 5. And therefore, the ordered pair 4, 2 does not satisfy the given equation. And therefore, this ordered pair is not the solution of x minus 3y equals 5. Thank you for watching. Bye.